How to delete an app that's not on home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete a certain app that is not on our home screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in my case, I've happened to hide a certain app which is Prime Video from my home screen. So you can see I don't have Prime Video, but I still have Prime Video installed. So the way I can delete the application that are hidden from my home screen is I can simply swipe right all the way to app library. So here I'll be able to see a list of all the apps, but if you don't find the app you're looking for, you can tap the search bar there and then just search for the application manually. So you can see Prime Video here. It was not on my home screen, but it is here. So now what I can do is just long press on the application and then go ahead and then delete them if I would like here. So I can just long press here and then I can get back to home screen, or I can choose to delete the app completely if I like. This way I'll be able to remove an application that's not on my home screen. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.